Okay, yesterday we completed about the enterprise structure, minimum basic level of financial structure point of view. Enterprise structure means financing and material management, SD, and logistic general and logistic execution, definition as well as assignment. That that is the first step we need to taking care of. How that enterprise structure we need to map existing scenario, existing enterprise structure to in our scenario. In our scenario means in SAP, how that is going to be. That we did, and also some of FI financial accounting settings, minimum what are the requirement of settings need to be done before that further. All what yesterday we discussed all scenarios. This is the FI said need to be some basic configuration need to be done. Now further configuration of after completion of this one SPRO reference IMG. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Financial accounting.
Yeah, financial accounting. Next, here accounts receivable and accounts payable, because we are going to deal with transactions, SD transactions. Transactions means we need a business partner, and SD transactions we need a business partner with different roles. Both are business partners in S/4HANA, and accounting means role is a business partner role is the one for a vendor, second one for this SD transactions for customer. That we need to discuss about this. So in ECC, only enough for accounts payable and accounts receivables as the vendor as well as the customers. But extension of in S/4HANA that we need to link up with the business partner. Both the configuration we should do, not only for accounts receivable and payable for supplier as well as a customer, and also both are linked with the respective business partner role. First, I will do configuration, then I will explain what is how this is going to link within S/4HANA. First, accounts payable and receivable, customer accounts, master data, preparation for creating master data, define account groups for screen layout, new entries. Here, our is the AA01 account group. AA01 is the customer account group. Save. Which one is the ours? Is the this one? Enter. For this, we need to maintain the number ranges. Create number ranges for customer accounts. Here, account group. Account group here, ST side means customer account group. And also next after creation, this one business partner group also. Normally, customer, whatever the customer number should be sync with this business partner. Then only we can able to view the data at the time of execution customer balances. If it is a different number of customer and a different number of business partner means we can't able to view, because this we need to take a balance and this number we need to take a balance, and again we need to go on to reconcile. Instead of doing of a different number, customer as well as a business partner and vendor as well as a business partner. Make it is a simplification of data reconcile, make it is a always both the customer as well as a business partner. In ECC, we don't bother about the business partner. In S/4HANA, this and compulsory as per the SAP standard point of view, make it should be both the customer as well as a business partner. And one more thing, supplier as well as our vendor would be a business partner. This is the first step, which means here account group we need to create. that account group we need to create means both number ranges. Means if it is the same number customer as well as business partner, supplier as well as business partner, same number means we need to create a same number range, both the cases. This is the first step we need to do. Then only number will change. Number only will assign here. And here, normally in SAP, there is a business partner we are going to create. There is no customer master like XT01, FDA, XK01. There is no these transaction codes like in ECC. There is no transaction code. If you execute XT01, system will go to the business partner only. So if you any XK01, it will go to the business partner only. So here we are going to create a business partner, which means here first we are going to create a business partner role with the customer. This should be internal. Whatever the number ranges we are going to create a customer, that number range should be same. First case is the first point is the number ranges should be same both the cases. In the customer financial accounting point of view, that number range is internal. Once we create a system, automatically number ranges picking from this, whatever we are going to give, that number ranges should be take. Should be take means this should be external. Then only customer as well as a business partner, same number will generate. Same second case here also. Here also same number ranges for vendor as well as a business partner. And here in the customer vendor point of view should be internal and business partner should be external. To avoid, because of if you want to check the customer balances means business partner also should be same. If it is a different name, we have to take a dump from the customer balances. Again, different when business partner means different number balances need to be synchronized. Need to be, again, we need to check it whether the balances are matching or not. To avoid in future, method to make it in initial itself, make it is same number ranges, one for internal, second for business partner. That is a concept here. Thus here we need to go for this is the number ranges. Create number ranges first customer accounts, accounts receivables and payable. Here should be here. What are the ranges are available here? We need to see. This is the checking. Free intervals means the system will check what are the existing. You can take any one of this one. These are available, but same group, I told you, no, same group should be available in business partner also. For example, I will take this one, 700 to 749. 700 to 749, this is the number ranges for customer. This is the number ranges. Same number ranges will change. Plus adding number. Our number is the A1. We can take A1. A1 already is there. Some AZ we can take. 700, 799. Already is there. But why it is showing?
I think it is 749. Sridhar, can you try that?
749. Okay. Sorry. This one. Here this user should be internal. Save. Enter. Then go for this is a AZ. Go back. Here next assign number ranges to customer account group. Just now what we created. Position. Group account group what we created A001. This is the number AZ. AZ. This one. Save. Next, go for, before going to this one, go for business partner configuration. Here, I identified one is the easy way to create a business partner here. What is of means normally business partner not in SAP is a new concept. This is since R by 3 ECC everywhere is the business partner using, but in different module, not in our module, FICO module. In REFX module, they are using a business partner. They don't know about the customer as well as a vendor. So here, go for relationship with this REFX only for business partner configuration. This one directly. So easy. Here we are going to just create and assign number ranges with the making of a selection of this one. Here, flexible real estate, business partner, relevant settings for business partner, number range, business partner number range, interval. Same number should be here. Group different means this is a text message. AZ is a text message that will you can give anyone. But to number ranges, whatever we have give here, 700, 749. Enter. Yeah, something overlap. Should not be like this. Then here, what is the availability? Is this availability? You check because I have seen here. We need to check there also. Otherwise, system will not recognize. Go back. First, I will go and check here. Again, going back to our create a number ranges for customer accounts. Enter. 4 series. Here also not there. Then which one is correct? We'll see one. Just 2 minutes, I will check. We can put to same screen at a time, then able to identify. REFX, business partner, relevant for business partner, number ranges, business partner number range, interval, this symbol, enter. Check it here, which one is the okay. This we can take, no? This is the last free interval. This we can take. Even number is the different next. This is the number. Next one is the +1. This we can take first initial from number. Under 2 number, we can make it as a suppose just for 100. This is the number range. Because same number here, we can able to take here also. Nine series, okay. Go for creation of some aged we can remove here. So big number, okay, no issue. aged here. This is the from number. This is the to number. External. Oh, again ZDS. Already created. Okay, this will make it. Okay. Then go for same number we should take here. Some other screen open. Back. Interval. New entries. Same aged. Same number. From. And to. Enter. Double E where it is. This is the problem for always here. Oh, here also same number created.
Sridhar, can't we take something which is not used? Like now, if we see in business partner, H1 is not used even once also.
But same should be there also. That is a
In
question.
customer. Yeah. Would you please check something in customer and vendor at the same time? Even in the vendor master data.
I will check. Same number we can use for both. Once we identify.
Okay.
5 all series. Yeah, correct. True. Here 5 series is not there, na?
Huh.
Yeah, thank you. Here not used. Where it is?
It was H1 in business partner. In customers, I don't think so. It is there.
H1. I said time waste this one. 5,000. Okay, this is the H1 business partner. Same number we need to go and create here also. Create. Same we can give H1. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. External. Already exists. Number exists. We can make it is a different number.
Text is exist. Text we need to change.
Yeah, this is
Here also it is H1 only.
H1 only, but number?
Same number. No.
Then okay.
Same. 1 minute. 4 zeros. Can you please go to business partner screen? I need to just confirm the number. Here it is.
Yeah, both are same, no?
Okay. Then I think in vendor also there might be same.
Same number range we can use H1 for vendor also. There is no restriction, no? It should go for vendor, it should go for X system. Then here, see here, H1 like this should be. This is the business partner. Business partner automatically take from the internal number ranges. So should be internal. And the same number should pick from this number. Though that's why here should be external. That is important, which means here number ranges should be, and one for business partner side is automatically system, because of we are going to create a number ranges from BP transaction. So this will pick from this range. Same number should pick for that. We need to make it as a tick box. This is one. So H1 we need to go and assign here number ranges. Account group. Here we can assign H1. This one. Save. back. Next vendor, then master data. Supplier accounts is a vendor master data, preparation for creation, define account groups screen layout, new entries. Same we can make it is AA01, AA01, vendor account group. Enter. For this same number H1 we can use. No need to create again because of already is there here. Same number ranges H1. Save. Okay, after creation of a vendor, customer, business partner, then we need to link up. How system is going to take from this is a different screen. Customer accounts and vendor accounts is a different screen. This is business partner is a different screen. Then how both are correlating, how system is going to pick means one setting we need to make it here. Here REFX. Here under the business partner number ranges, business partner here, business partner with the customer, business partner with the vendor. Here we need to do steps. Business partner, this is the step. Number assignment and account group. This is the number assignment is nothing but business partner number range. That number range should be assigned to the account group to the customer. This step we should do. New entries. This is the business partner group. This is the account group. Before going to that, same how account group we assign to the number ranges, we need to create a business partner group also, like customer account group we created, vendor account group we created. We need to be create a business partner group. That group we need to assign here. Here customer account group or vendor account group should be same number here. Then system is automatically will take same number. Go back first, then go for here. First business partner role here. Sorry, here this one business after this is a business partner. Here already is there H1 we checked. Some days. The next step of business partner is a grouping, just like a customer account group, vendor account group. New entries, same AA00, AA01, BP number range. Same description. This is a description. This is description. Here number range we should assign. Same which one? H1. Same number we should assign. Enter. For this BP grouping group, AA001 is a BP grouping is the only one. And here customer as well as vendor is the different group we created. That group we need to make it is the same number. That is a tick box. That is the next step. The next step means define already assigned here, define number ranges, then go for business partner with the customer. Here. Number and assignment to group customer. New entries. This is the BP grouping. Select F4, Control F, AA01. See here, this is the BP grouping group. And this is the account group. Which one? Customer account group. Control F. Same we have given AA01. This is the FI side. I created FI. Same this one we should give. And compulsory same number. Then only system is going to allow. If you give same number ranges on both the side, if you missed out the same number, system will not able to create a same number both side. This is a step we need to care. Save. Similarly for vendor also, business partner grouping as well as a vendor account group. The next step. Close this one. Next under the business partner vendor. Here, number assignment, account group with new entries. Same here also, BP number. BP number is the only one for both. We can create a separate also, but same number ranges we can use for this. Number ranges and the vendor account group is the vendor side, how what are the account group we created, that account group we need to assign here. And same number we should enter. Save. If it is the same number, then only system will allow to save here. If it is a different number, if you try to save putting of tick box, this checkbox, system will not allow while doing a saving. This is a different number, this is a different number. If you try to make it as a tick box, system will check whether it is a both are same number or not. If it is not there, system will not allow to save option. Without tick box only system will allow. I will show you one example. Someone is doing of this one. Suppose this is the one. Anything example, because of if I try to put CC here, like this system will throw error. Number ranges for account group was not defined external. Okay, externally okay, but here same number ranges like that, system will throw error. We'll take anyone. Yeah, like this will come. Number ranges for ATDV. This is the one. And ATDV account group is the number ranges are different. This type, if you create a business partner with this ATDV and customer account group, different numbers will come. That is a problem while doing a reconcile of system of vendor business partner as well as a customer balances, vendor balances. System here itself, system will throw error. Then only we need to remove and save it. And one more thing here, business partner role. In S4, in ECC, customer, supplier is there. In customer normally, we observed in S4 ECC, FI customer. FI customer means is relating to the company code. And SD customer, it's relating to the sales and distribution. Similarly, vendor also. Vendor means FI vendor. FI vendor is nothing but we need to give information company code specific like reconciliation account. And similarly, vendor means vendor means all purchasing transactions we need to give the information. How system, because here for this one transaction code, what is the transaction code? FD01. For this XD01.
Sir, can you hear me? Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what if we create the different numbers and we have done the business model, creation, and then what the kind of error will throw after?
No. While doing a configuration of last step, if you want to make it is the same number.
Okay.
Same number means this issue will come. Which one? Where it is? Here. Number ranges. If you want to make it is sync from business partner to customer means. So suppose if it is any take, someone is not doing this one. This is the only you can take. Like this will come. Same number and flexible grouping cannot be maintained.
It is mandatory that the grouping that is the business partner group and the vendor group, both they should have the same description.
Description are this is also different, maybe different. This also may be different, but
Okay.
internal that then H1 we gave na. And
Yeah.
for account group also H1 we can give, and this here grouping group is a different this text we can give. But number I'm telling na, this number should be same. Where it is this number.
Okay.
BP side we can give H2 and account group I give HZ, whatever it may be. This is a text code, but system is going to search for this only.
Okay.
So if the number ranges are same, what is the benefit of this? What is the purpose of this?
Synchronization, sync. Because of if you go and check in customer balances, how much of a balances of customer balances, a BL that data. But same data, you need to go check with the business partner data also. Because of in S4HANA, there is no concept of a customer. Business partner only. Business partner automatically will generate one customer. Then what is the exactly my month end vendor balances, customer balances means we need to go and check in the business partner only, not a customer. In ECC, okay, customer vendor, but we need to go check the business partner balances. That's why in SAP itself is a strongly suggestion, go for customer as well as a business partner should be same number because of is providing same number, that configuration itself.
Sridhar Garu, what is this flexi group?
Flexible means different numbers. If
Okay.
you are using of a different account group, suppose one account means a different account. We created only one account group H1 in a customer account group and vendor account group.
Mm.
If you wanted to use some two account groups, we are going to use. Normally in ECC, we are using FI customer one account group, XD customer one, means SD customer one account group. If
Mm.
you want to try to put to same either that number or this number.
Okay.
But SAP gave option, but that I checked, different the same concept only, different numbers are coming.
Sridhar, I have one question.
Hmm.
If we extend the BP role, then this number will be the so when we extend the BP role, what will be the number
No,
for the extended role?
BP role of number ranges.
Yes. If we
Ah,
extend the role from now, we have the role as we are giving as a customer for this BP. If we extend it to contract or if we extend it to bank or any other role, then what will be the number?
Same number only. X number, whatever it may be here.
BP
Then
number, BP number for the role, the new role.
new role, then we need to create a BP grouping also.
Okay, okay. This is 1:1 relationship, right?
1:1. 1:1 many also. I gave na same
So
H1.
this is a scenario is 1:1. This number range.
No. See, H1 I created in customer side and vendor side. But both are same one account business partner. I created only one only, na?
Okay.
You observed customer group I created.
Yes.
Vendor group I created in our FI point of view. But whereas in business partner, I created only one group.
Yes.
Did you observe? That's so many to one we can do. If you want to create a different role for suppose some other role here, that role means a different number will come. Number range will come. Same number range should be here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because of until unless you are not changing the number ranges, so no need to create a new BP group.
Okay.
You are if you create a customer account group with the different, if you assign same H1, no need to create a group BP because of same number 5 all series to 5999.
Okay, okay.
If you are trying to change number ranges in customer some other role, then should be need to be create same number should be here.
Okay, okay, understood.
That is a
Thank you. Thank you.
And here most important in FI normally in ECC side, FI customer, SD customer, FI vendor, vendor like that, FD01, XD01 and FK01 and XK01 like that 4 transaction codes we are using here. But here all are 4 transaction codes completely removed. If you try to FD01, it will go to the transaction code BP. If you XD01, that will go BP. FK01, that will go BP. This all. If you try to any one of this transaction codes, system is going to update with BP screen only. Then how system is going to identify this is the FI customer with company code data, SD customer with sales and distribution, FI vendor with company code information, vendor is the relation, purchasing organization data means each transactions they are going to create as a role here in S4HANA. That is the role is a BP role. This BP role can decide is it company code information or sales area information. Is it company code information of FI or information? This BP role can decide. Standard BP roles only that we need to see how system is going to identify. Same step only, like business partner, relevant settings for here. Business partner role, define business partner. I'm not going to create a, just I will show you here, standard business partner role. FL, this is the one. FLCU 00, FLCU 01. FLCU 00 is nothing but company code customer. FLCU 01, this is the relating to the this business, which means here in ECC, if you are trying to XD01, system is going to ask sales information, but there is no transaction code XD01. So while doing a creation of a business partner, we need to select this business partner role, which means this business partner means this role will not appear, description will appear. Similarly, side also, FK01 is the company code information we are going to queue. So here VN, FLVN 00 is nothing but a company code information of vendor, and FLN VN01 is the customers, vendor side. Which means here, this BP role can decide whether this is the information of a company code or sales area or sales and distribution or Each transaction.
Sorry to interrupt, Sridhar. I have a question. Now, suppose we have seen around 4 roles here. So this is related to and FI or FI and SD. So are there any specific roles which are which we will be using related to controlling?
No, because normally controlling means why vendor and customer we are going to use same transactions and SD transactions. Transaction means a P2P cycle, procure to pay cycle, purchase order, goods receipt, same. Not a separating of a controlling concept.
Okay.
But we are going to material we need to purchase.
Okay.
Same after manufacturing of material, we are going to sell. So sales transactions we need to for customer, and procurement we need to for. This is not for specific for controlling. This is the overall. But point is how need to be make it is the same number to avoid month end to reconcile of different numbers, whether it is a customer as well. That is a point here.
Clear. Thank you.
Okay, this is that. But no need to remember of this one. Once you create here the description, make it is FI customer standard, SD customer standard, FI supplier standard. This will appear there. This we need to just checking. No need to worry. This is the business partner, because of we are going to do transactions cycle, production cycle, SD cycle. Need to know all information because of procure to pay to bring the material from outside, which nothing but a purchase. After procuring the raw material, we are going to put in the shop floor production. After production cycle, FG material will come in. Then that material we are going to sell. Then we are going to do sales transaction. To do this of purchase order as well as sale order, one customer, one vendor is required. For that purpose only this information we need to discuss. Understand? Then go for here. This is the customer as well as the business partner. Actually, this is the only for FI side only, but the extension with this one.
Sir, but creation of customer and vendor will be done by the purchase team itself, right? Sir? Procurement.
Yeah, all people only. But here we need to see the cycle complete, because I created company code.
Okay.
So everything I need to do.
Okay, okay.
That's why I'm telling, don't bifurcate FI separate, MM separate, SD separate, CO separate. Because if I found out this information, if you bifurcate, normally you are going to miss some integration part. You need to know all concept. Then only visualize it. Means see, if you know the integration, then normally people can able to give answer any question in SAP. Integration is the most important. That's why don't look up at the even this is business partner is we don't bother about the business partner creation, customer creation, MMSD people. But link up with this, how this is going to link up with each and every at the end of the accounting entry, how that accounting entry will generate MM side accounting entry, SD side accounting entry, procurement accounting entry, intra-company, intercompany, subcontracting, all our accounting entries will generate it. Okay. Then this is the financial accounting. Yesterday we created a global account requirement as well as a customer account and then go for next controlling last we will do because of a lot of settings required. Then go for logistic general. Next, how I did in enterprise structure, same sequence only I'm going to do here configuration also. That first most important logistic general, material master, basic settings, material type. Just now we discussed for vendor as well as the customers cycles. Cycle means suppose for example, what we are going to procure normally raw materials as well as any other component materials. If you want to procure raw materials from outside, we need to create a one master data, material master data. That material master data means with the reference of one material type reference, account reference, not account reference, reference. That reference is the ROH is the raw material, HALB is the semi-finished material, and FERT is the finished material. For this material type, we need to link with our plant. Whatever we created the plant, that plant we need to link up here in this step. Then only we can able to create a material. If this material type is not assigned to the plant, whatever we created earlier, that plant, we can't able to create a material. That is a point number one. And the second most important point is this is a very, very close to our material ledger. How I will show you. This is the for creation purpose of material. That is a one side. Second side is this without this setting, we can't, first of all, we can able to create, but not able to update extension. First, I will go see. First to position. ROH is the raw material, standard material type. Select, click on quantity and value update. Position, enter. Here, valuation area. Valuation area is nothing but a plant. What is our plant? AA01 and the material type is the ROH. Okay, this one. Here, once this means we can able to create a material. If you are not missed out quantity as well as updated, then material ledger means the system not able to create accounting one tab with material ledger tick box. If you assign material type ROH as well as a plant and you missed out of quantity as well as a value update, material ledger system not able to enter this material into the actual cost, not means material ledger transactions. which means here quantity and value updated. System material ledger concept means how the materials are coming and how the materials are going. How much of a quantity, how much of value. This is a concept of a material ledger. Here, this with this reference, with this type of in this plant, if you missed out, then in material master, if you go and check in accounting one tab, that one tick box is the missed out. Fine. That's why here most important, if you side, if any new plant, normally in support side, they are going to create a number of depot plants. As our consultant FICO part, even this step is not our concept. We need to check whether they maintain tick box or not. If any new plant created, whether it is a depot plant as well as a manufacturing plant, under which we are going to create any materials. If there is no materials under that plant, no need bother about this one. If you create any materials under this plant, and if you are going to do transactions of SD, PV production cycles or this type of cycles, means in S/4HANA, a material ledger is a mandatory. We need to check whether this plant need to be assigned to the proper material type with quantity as well as a value. Even this transaction is not our concept. Most very, very important. Clear? Then same, we need to go and assign. Second, HALB is the standard material type for semi-finished material. Double click quantity and value updated. Position. Same plant. And the material type is the halve. Same here also, quantity and value updated. Third one is the, which one? FERT is the standard FG material type. Because I'm going to create raw material, I'm going to create FG material as well as a semi-finished material. Quantity and value updated. Position. Valuation area plant and what. Here, did you observe? Sometimes SAP is giving valuation area. Sometimes SAP is telling is a plant. What is the difference between valuation area and a plant? But both in the both side, only one number AA0P only is coming. Sometimes SAP is telling that plant. Sometimes it is telling that valuation area. Did you observe? What is the exactly difference between plant as well as valuation area?
Plant means only plant. Valuation area could be company code also.
If there is any accounting treatment, that then when this plant is going to convert his account valuation area? That's the second question. Once we assigned plant to company code, then this plant would become a valuation area.
And also we have the configuration settings where we say that the material is getting validated at plant level, not at the company code level. Most of the companies use it.
Yeah, almost 99%.
Yeah.
That means then question is here, when this plant is going to convert as a valuation area. In assignment enterprise structure, that plant is assigned to the company code, then that plant convert as a valuation area. For accounting treatment point of view, what you said is correct. That's a valuation at plant level.
Can you share the screen that where we assign the plant to company code?
Here only, enterprise structure, yesterday also.
Just to recap.
Enterprise structure, assignment,
okay,
logistic general, this one. You just if you create and check it valuation area anyway, that code will not appear. Once we assign this step, then only it will appear. purpose, only plant we will not able to generate accounting treatment. That should be convert with this link up with the company code. Then company code having a chart of accounts. Chart of accounts having a GL accounts. That to GL account. That's why here valuation area only SAP gave option to give material type ROH or this one. For this material types only in material master only accounting this valuation class next will this valuation class. For that valuation class only we are going to give GL accounts in OBYC. This is the link.
Right.
This one. And one more important in the logistic general, maintain company code for material management. This is a month. Normally every month we are going to do MMPV period, MM period like that. This is a one time only configuration, initial time only. You need to be next onwards. We are going to go for MMPV like that. No need to go here. OMSY. Position, company code AA01 here. Year 2023. We followed is a K4 is a calendar year, financial year. So as per that, that period is the second period. If you want to create a data, if you want to normally in live go live environment, we are going to upload the all inventory data previous period. Means last month opening, last month closing stock would become a opening stock of this current month. Even if you create company code in this month, if you want to try to posting of a last month, here we can make it is ABP. ABP is nothing but a allow back posting periods. If you don't want to miss, disallow back posting periods. Normally this will happen initial inventory upload, stock upload at the time of go after go live, how much of a stock we need to upload that time. If you want to back, suppose we are going to posting of a data of April 1st as a fiscal year starting. Try to posting of a opening stock of March 31st. Then this need to be allow back posting. Save. If you don't want miss, disallow. This one. Next, settings for key fields. Material group. Means raw material group, semi-finished group, AFG group, like that type of a material group we need to create here and assign in the material master for this one. AA01 raw material group, AA02 semi-finished material group. Third one is the AA03 FG material group. Save.
தேவா கொசு கடிக்குது தேவா, உள்ளே படு தேவா. மாமி உள்ள வரவா, மாமி உள்ள வந்துடுறவா, கொசு கடிக்குது.
Can you please mute? Okay, this is the last logistic general. Next, coming to the sales and distribution. Sales and distribution means we are going to do transactions with the sales transaction like sales order, delivery, billing. Normal, not only for this one, we are going to do product cost by sales order. Means not only product cost, MTS scenario we need to go and check, MTO scenario we need to go and check, in the ETO scenario we need to go check. But whatever means, first we need to go for taking off a pricing concept. If it is MTS scenario, we are going to do standard cost estimation that will pick from material master cost. If you go for MTO scenario, that cost will come from sale order cost. If you go for ETO scenario, that cost will pick from production order cost estimate. Three different directions. For that, whatever it may be, system should capture the sales minus cost. That cost is our point. Normally, what is the point here means here we are doing MTS scenario. we will go for MTO scenario. We will go for ETO scenario. MTS scenario, we are going to do standard cost estimation. MTS scenario, MTO scenario, we are going to do sale order cost. And ETO scenario, we should not do standard cost, we should not do sale order cost. We should go for production order cost estimation. Different. But here, for this system is going to capture VPRS, which is coming from material master. And for this, some condition type EK02. And a production order ETO scenario, either VPRS as well as ETO, based on the configuration. These are condition types are available in the pricing procedure. Our concept is what is our sales and what is our cost. That balancing is a profit. Sales minus either VPRS or EK02 or ETO cost, whatever it may be, minus of this one, sales minus of this cost, profit. These are, sales is nothing but standard is the PR00 condition type. PR00 minus VPRS. If it is MTS scenario, profit will get. PR00 minus EK02, profit. PR00 ETO scenario, then profit will come. Whatever, irrespective of this one, if you want to identify sales transactions, these are all our information in the pricing procedure, SD pricing procedure. For that pricing procedure, we need to link up with our whatever we created, sales organization, distribution channel, division. That is nothing but a sales area, which means this condition type information will be available in pricing procedure. That pricing procedure need to be linked with our condition types. Where that will happen means sales and distribution. Sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, here, pricing control, define and assign pricing procedure. Same. This is the set pricing procedure determination. Double click. Yeah. New entries. What is our sales organization we created yesterday? That sales organization. Next, distribution channel. Next, division. And here, document pricing procedure plus customer pricing procedure. Document pricing procedure means normally sale order, delivery, billing. Before sales order, quotation will be there. Before quotation, inquiry will be there. Normally, this is the sales order, delivery. This is okay. Before sale order, quotation. Before sale quotation, inquiry. This is means here inquiry stage we will not able to give any rate here. Quotation compulsory give rate. Once the customer will come to us and we will give some quotation. After discussions, after bargaining, we are going to finalize one rate. Some discount, something. Then okay 95. Means here document type wise price is a different. This is the quotation price. This is the sales order. Each sale order quotation also it is a one type of sale SD document type. Sale order also one type of a document type. This should be also need to be applicable. Whether if it is not a quotation is there or not, whatever it may be, but in sales document type itself, at least this need to be considered. Means this is the procedure. Document pricing procedure means which document means either it is sales, inquiry, quotation, or delivery. That we need to give here as a standard. Standard only we can give. Standard means quotation and delivery as well as this sales order, whatever for all same rate only. Like that is a standard practice. And the division also need to be give here. And the customer pricing procedure. Customer pricing procedure means if it is a regular customer, we are going to give some discount. If it is industry bulk customer, means so he will give order, put means a huge quantity of a customer, huge quantities of a product is going to purchase from us. So that type of a customer means we can able to give some discount, additional discounts, regular customer, occasional customer, one-time customer. Each customer wise, we are going to give some discounts according to their frequently purchasing from ours. That is nothing but a customer pricing procedure. But here we are going to give same rate for all customers. That's nothing but a standard. Here the normal ST people will create different customers based on their frequent freedom of means degrees of freedom of purchase procurement from outside our side. They are going to give some. But our case, for example, this is for all customers and irrespective of document, we are going to give same for all. Then here we need to assign to the pricing procedure. This is a standard pricing procedure, RVAA01. In this, what are the means all whatever we discussed here, conditions, sales condition, as well as cost condition price, this minus this for profit. That profit is available in this pricing procedure, RVAA01, which is a standard. Double click. Then the condition type is the PR00 is our sales condition type. This one. Save. Okay, that means here.
So
our
Sridhar, we are selling the material to the different customers in a different price, correct?
Yes.
So how system will determine that one?
No, price or cost. Price is means this is the concept of SD side. This is our part.
Okay, actually this is a costing. I mean, the material cost will be the same for all the customers.
That is MTS scenario.
Okay.
Material cost is the same for all customer, is nothing but a MTS scenario. Material cost is a different for different customer, is nothing but a MTO scenario. ETO scenario for different projects is a cost is a different, means that is a ETO scenario. Normally cost plus profit is nothing but a sales price. Price is a different, cost is a different. How much of a cost we incurred to do manufacturing of this way, plus some profit, that would be a sales price. Whether it is a customer, is a regular customer, whatever it may be, that cost according to their frequent doing business of it ours, then they are going to make it as a customer pricing procedure there, that will give some discounts for this one.
So in configuration, whatever we have selected, that's a standard. Standard means what? That's
For
the cost.
no, this one, nah?
Yeah. Yes.
This is the price, completely pricing information only, means relating to this information. That's why here assign a condition type PRW, not VPRS. VPRS MTS scenario automatically will come, and the EK02 I will go and assign on by order scenario sale, MTO scenario.
Okay.
Next.
Sridhar, you have assigned that go to the previous screen, no? I mean,
this one.
Yeah, same screen. You assigned the tracing procedure, no? So that will come for all. I mean, MTS, MTO scenario for each one.
For all, yeah, because RVAA01 pricing procedure contain whatever we discuss. This information will be. I will show you. This is standard. Yeah, PR00. This is the sales.
Okay.
Minus last VPRS. This is the standard. This is the MTO scenario. PR00 minus this one is the profit. Na? This is that. And if it is a MTS scenario, means VPRS system will pick from material master. If it is a MTO scenario, EK02.
Okay.
This is the formula. Pricing procedure is nothing but formula. And if the customer is a regular customers, they are going to do discounts, factor discount, cash discount, some discount they will give. That is going to that is
so
going,
this VPRS will be calculated with the standard cost estimation. You mean to say?
VPRS is the MTS. EK02 is MTS. This part we have to take care.
Okay.
PR00, okay, they will give discounts, so they will give price, okay. But under here cash discount, under some other discount, depends upon their frequent purchases. But our part is how this value came here. This is our point. Why we need to study of pricing procedure means this part. Because of sales minus cost is nothing but a profit. That cost, how it is coming, that we need to highlight. That we need to know.
Okay.
This pricing procedure we need to assign to our sales area. That's just what we assign. That is a step here. And one more basic function of important concept here, partner determination procedure. We discussed about the customer account group with FI side means okay, we can able to create directly. But ST customer side means partner functions are there. Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer. Sold to party is required for sale order. Ship to party required for delivery. Payer is required for billing. All different. MM side means only one vendor. That's why here there is no separate partner determination concept in basic functions. But coming to the SD, different means okay, sale order business partner function may be different. Ship to party means delivery time different maybe, and payer different partner functions different maybe. But whereas coming to the MM side, MM means only transactions for purchase order only one vendor. This is a happen up to 2020 before. In ECC also, there is no concept of a pricing procedure concept. 2021 onwards, that partner pricing procedure vendor side also, they are going to try to implement. But as I checked, as of now, no updation pricing partner determination procedure in the case of supplier. Customer, okay, SD people now also we are doing a now in R/3 also okay, in ECC also okay, S4 also. But supplier recently they introduced 2020 onwards. I will show you, but still now I didn't get any new thing here, same functionality in this step. Set up a partner determination, see here. Partner determination procedure earlier only up to this only we have seen in previous ECC as well as in before 2020, but now introduce supplier master also here. But in configuration, I checked each and every point. I didn't find any new concept. Only they gave description. Maybe in future they are going to add. Double click of this one. If something means definitely should be bracket is a customer, should be something is a vendor, supplier. But that still not, I didn't find anything as of now. Maybe in future we'll see. New entries, make it here AA001 partner determination procedure. Enter. Select partner functions in procedure. I told you na, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer for each sales transactions like sale order, delivery, billing. So new entries, our partner functions. Here we need to assign. What are the functions are available? Means sold to party is a transaction function is the SP. sold to party. Next, ship to party. SH. Someone is removed. Next, bill to party, BP. And payer. These are four partner functions need to be. This is the responsible for creation of a sale order. This is the responsible for creation of a delivery. And both bill to party, payer, and both are responsible for billing. But whatever it may be, these may change. But sold to party, whoever the put to the sale order, he is the responsible for SCA. That's why here no changes allowable for sold to party here. Remaining all we can able to modify. That is the thing. That means here today I will put sale order and I gave one partner function address. Tomorrow, okay, I wanted to delivery some other location. They will give delivery to different location. We can change. And today I gave check to the customer, means whatever way I'm going to purchase. Then tomorrow I will give some other mode payment. That's why partner functions of bill to party and payer also can change. Today I gave suppose ICICI Bank data. Tomorrow I'm going to give HDFC Bank because if I don't have any ICICI Bank balance, then I will give. Otherwise I will go online transfer. Like that here, modify can able to do either receiving, delivering of our goods and payment also. But customer, I am the customer. My name should not be changed. My delivery goods receipt may change. My payment option I will go and change, but my name is not will change. That's why here customer is not should not be changed. And here third partner determination procedure, customer assignment. Here same here. FI said this is a FI integration link with the partner, business partner. We created a customer account group. That account group we need to assign to our partner function. Position. What is our account group? We created this one. We created a customer account group, assigned business partner number group. That is a creation of a business partner account. That account groups again same here linking with our business partner determination procedure to create a show to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer for partner functions creation purpose. This need to be done. What is our AA01? Enter. Save. Next account group, whatever account group that account group AA001 already we created NFI, that we need to link up with whatever we created SP, HH, PB, PY. That we need to assign here. Double click on account group function assignment, new entries. First sold to party. Then account group is the AA01. Ship to party, AA account. This is the account group. If I said whatever we created, that account group, this one. This is a linking integration with the FI as well as this one. Bill to party and payer. Enter. Then once we create a business partner per customer with the partner functions, numbers will come here different. Because of each partner function is the responsible for each for SD transactions, sale order, delivery, billing. For that purpose, we need to know this one. Okay. And go for material management, consumption based planning, plant parameters. For material incoming or outgoing from our inventory, if we are doing this type of whether we are purchasing, production, stock transfer, material to material transfer, whatever it may be, we need to update some parameters to update in our inventory. Whether it is a suppose incoming, it is going to add. If it is the outgoing material from our inventory, it is going to less. To update that, plant parameters need to be assigned here. Click on copy, make it is a from, don't when you make it here, just copy of existing plant to here. Existing plant means standard plant. Standard plant here 1010 is the standard plant. Normally 1000 ECC, this one. Give our plant here. Enter. This is the one type of setting. Second point, normally this same step, why we need to do MRP run. MRP means what? Material requirement plan. If you do manufacturing, if you do any sale, means you need to be in our location, in our inventory, that material should be available. That is a requirement plan, because of whether we are going to purchase, whether we're going to manufacture, we are going to sell, whatever it may be, that requirement plan. That the material requirement, if you want to run MRP run, PP side, these steps need to be done for plant parameters for material requirement plan. I will run MRP run to generate MRP. But this is a step. Without this, the PP side, PP people can't able to run MRP. Even this step is in MM. Okay. Next, purchasing. Here, most important. Go for here. First, purchasing group. Purchasing group, new entries. Purchasing group is the responsible team for purchase of raw materials, or purchasing of a semi-finished material, or purchasing of FG materials. Suppose our business is the trading business, not a manufacturing. So that time we are going to purchase of our FG materials and sell, just for we are providing service. That time we can able to purchase FG material and SFG material also. Oh, who are the responsible team to do this transaction? Means this is a purchasing team. This AA01 is the purchasing team. Purchasing group. Next, here important point here. Purchase order. Tolerance limits. Here, this is a very, very close to our concept. 3 levels are there. We are doing a purchase order, MM cycle, then goods receipt, then invoice. Normally, in MM cycle, P2P cycle, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice. Here in material master.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, my mic was not working, Sridhar. So
okay.
I just tested it again. Sorry for that.
Okay. Sorry. In purchase order, see here. In purchase info record, sorry, in material master, suppose I maintain 100. I'm going to give purchase order 120. If you want to allow but different rate from the material master rate while doing a creation of a purchase order, system should accept. Understand here, if it is a material master rate, so for example is 100, but I wanted to actual rate is the in while doing a purchasing from vendor, that is a rate. This is the PO rate. This is the material master rate, MM01 rate. This is the ME21 rate. If it is a different rate from the material master, while doing a saving of a purchase order, system should accept fluctuation, whether upper limit, how much of a lower limit. If you want to try to posting, if you want to try to saving of this number, how system is going to save means that is a tolerance limits. That tolerance limits means purchase order tolerance limits means different rate than the material master that need to be assigned set to tolerance limits for price variance. So this is the price variance 20 that need to be assigned to the our company code. 101010 standard company code. Here PE and SE. Price variance means purchasing and discount. Suppose in material master is 100, if it is a 120, that is a PE concept. If it is a less, customer will give us some less discount, means give means that is a deduction. Both P and K is a tolerance keys. This upper limit or lower limit, whatever it may, we need to assign to our company code. Select these two P and SC of the 1010 company code and assign here. Because I'm going to give different rate while the creation of a purchase order. That's why we need to understand of this one. Save. This is the one. Next, after creating a purchase order with a different rate, I maintain in the purchase order. Now, while doing a goods receipt, MyGo, system should accept that difference account. Whatever it may be, so difference amount means is a more or less, whatever it may be, system should accept because of here accounting entry will generate. For this, also we need to give some tolerance limits. Purchase order. And where is a goods receipt? Purchasing side means this one. Then inventory management, goods receipt time. Goods receipt time means if any price differences occur, material master to purchase order, that is accepted by that earlier tolerance. Then same similar that difference should assign at the time of a receipt also should accept that difference. For that, we need to give tolerance limits. Here, 2 points. In material master, so many times we observed the price control is S and V. Correct, na? Price control S is the standard. Price control V is the moving average price. Whatever it may be, just here 2 options are there. In price control S, we can go for MTS business transaction and MTO business transaction. If a price control S is a standard means I will explain later. F means having a MTS business process and MTO process, irrespective of whatever business process, that the difference should accept at the time of a goods receipt. For MTS scenario, one tolerance key B1 and the MTO scenario tolerance key is a B2. This is the here go for 1010 B1 and B2. B1 is the tolerance key for one type of a business transactions, MTO scenario. Because in material master, I will give some transactions. Some material master data. In MTO scenario, in material master, there is no rate. That should come from sale order. So both the cases system should accept. That is a B1 is relating to the here order quantity variance with respect to W. W is nothing but the MTS scenario. And the next level, order quantity variance with E. This is nothing but E is nothing but here MTO scenario. Here only difference. First one is the W, second B1 is the, sorry, here. B1 is the MTO scenario, B2 is the MTS scenario. Whether irrespective of a business process, that difference should accept at the time of a goods receipt, means that both the B1 and B2 need to be accept our company code. It's just B1 for MTS scenario assigned to the AA01 and B2 is the AA01. This B1 and B2 for applicable standard price of material master.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Few steps back, for material types, you have given quantity updating, value updating, right?
Yes.
For raw materials, you have given the selection as tick box. You have selected the tick box, right? But ideally for raw materials, we go with moving average price, isn't it?
Ideally means not like that, no? If you wanted to make it as a price, if it is single rate for all transactions, in SAP also strongly suggestion better to raw material and packing materials also will go for price control easiest when if material ledger is active. Without material ledger, normally if you want to procure from outside, that is ECC traditional method. We are following up for this one. We followed up this concept is a moving average price.
No, raw materials are usually procured from externally, isn't it?
Even procure from external also. Once we material ledger activated, SAP suggested is a maintain price control is yes. Okay, continue your query.
Now or afterwards?
No, now only you can create.
So we do not do the cost estimates for raw materials, isn't it? CK11 and all are for either semi-finished goods or finished goods. We don't create BOM, right? And raw materials are not internally produced. That means we purchase, and at every invoice we can get different prices. Right. When we get different prices, then it is best to go with moving average for only raw materials. I am saying ROH.
Okay.
Because in all projects also they are taking ROH as a moving average. That's why I asked.
Okay. Finish your query.
That's all.
See, for example, I will create, suppose one raw material.
Yeah.
This is the raw material, some XYZ. Today, 26th. Today, I will purchase 10 quantity. Moving average rate is how much?
260.
Suppose. Oh, suppose. No.
Can
this
you,
is this
can
is
you
the
put
date.
the column header? Okay.
This is the date. This is the rate.
Quantity.
This is the quantity. Suppose some 15 quantity. Then what is the value?
150.
10 into 15, 150. Here.
Control D.
10 into 15. This is the value. Amount. Now, 27th, next day, I'm going to issue to the 3 quantity to the production. This is the goods receipt. While doing a purchase order with the goods receipt, this is the quantity I got. This date, 26th date, 10 quantity. Next, I am going to consume of this material. Because of raw material, I'm going to issue to the production. I'm not going to transaction. 27th, I'm going to issue to the production. What is the rate for here? 10 rate. 3 quantity I'm issuing. What is the value? Okay. This is the one. Then what is my balance right now here and the end of the 27th day? 10 quantity. Then value is the 15 minus 3. And here 10 into 12, 120. Again, I am going to create a purchase order and goods receipt. Some other quantity. See here, consume to the production order 1. Production order, some FG material. Remember here, this is the point here need to be highlighted. Now I am going to create a one more purchase order for the same material in the same period. I am going to create a same different rate. Suppose 28th, I am going to create a one more quantity. One more, suppose quantity is the sum 10 quantity. Then what is the value here at the time of a goods receipt? 12 into 10, 120. Then what is my cumulative inventory as of now, as per this one? 10 balance earlier. Now newly created.
That is rate, sir.
Oh, sorry. This is the rate. This is the quantity. And what is the value here?
240.
Earlier is a 120 plus this one. Now here, what is the rate? 240 divided by 22. Now is a 10.99. When after 28th goods received with 10 quantity with different rate value. Agree?
Yes.
Now I
Sir,
am going. Let me finish.
Yes. Sorry.
Now I am going to consume some other quantity with the same production order. Because of goods issue happening, frequently happening. Because of depends upon the quantity available. Now I am going to consume to the some other quantity. Suppose 3 quantity I am going to consume. Now which rate system is going to consider?
I know only moving average. If you put moving average, it will
This
take
10.90.
10.90, correct. 10.90. And what is the value here? This is the value. Suppose if you take here, see here, this is the same consumption to the production order. Same production order I am going to here also consuming. This is FG production order same, but 27th I don't have a stock. That's why only 3 quantity I consumed, for example. And second goods receipt happened and 29th, suppose 29th. 29th, if I consume same quantity, that rate is a different. Here is the 10 rate, here 10.9. So value is the different for same FG material.
This is for standard valuation, right?
No, moving average price.
Okay.
Standard means the same rate is the same for all.
Okay.
No, if we don't do this one, sir, then it will go to PRD account, price difference account.
PRD account will go.
Then again you will do the month-end settlement. Again, it will come back to inventory only.
Month-end inventory will go, but okay, that is my question here. 27th, I consumed 3 quantity for this production. Rate is a 10. 29th, same quantity I issued to production, but rate is the approximately 11. Then which one is the correct? Which one should I consider? 10 or 11?
11.
How? Earlier 3 quantities are 20, exact 10 quantity consumed already. Again one more. Suppose 29th again I goods receipt happen with different rate. Again same production order if I want to consume, then different rate will come. One material issued to one production order with different rate. How can I get my actual cost for FG material? This is the query.
It will calculate depending on the remaining quantity.
Remaining quantity of FG material. I don't bother about the raw material, but I wanted to concentration of my FG materials actual cost. Date wise the cost is changing because of depends upon the procurement of raw materials rates.
The order will begin only after the stock availability confirmation, right? Right. So in your BOM you have required quantity. Sorry, I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
No, required quantity. I wanted to 6 quantity.
Right.
The 6 quantity. 6 quantity for doing of manufacturing FG material. 6 quantity I wanted. 27th, I have only three quantity I consumed. Then I waited for remaining quantity to get means remaining quantity I got available 29th. 29th I consumed. But in material master, moving average price is frequently changed from here 26th at 10 and here 28th is at 1.9 and consume ration of a different rate.
So what will happen when you do this goods issue to production order? On 27th, what will be the price taken? 30, no?
10 only. Value, value 10.
30.
Consumption account to debit to 30 to inventory.
And then 28th, 29th, what will happen? 33.
32,
33,
33 account to debit to inventory consumption.
You are getting that entry, right? So both of these are going into the order only, right?
That's why how normally frequently purchasing of this material is assigned to the one production order, same material. How I track? For example, leave it to this production order. If this is suppose this is a trading. Suppose you are going to sell. Same example, same material, 27th, I am going to sell. COGS account debit to inventory. At the time of 27th, my COGS is a 30. Same material, same customer I am going to assign. See, my COGS is nothing but a 32. See, for example, this is a trading material. Instead of a production, now we are going to directly sell.
So put some value for COGS, sir. Let's say you are selling it at 100.
No, completely 100. Same. This example only take here.
Same thing. So if your COGS is 100.
No, how it is COGS in material master rate only? Na COGS will go
30, right?
30 here 30.
Okay. Okay.
Here is the 32.
Oh, 30. Okay, fair, whatever.
But this date, same customer, 27th, I will give 30, and 29th, I will give 33. Will he accept? Normally, COGS.
Your price is not at COGS, no, sir.
No, COGS plus profit. I'm going to sell price.
You let's put a sell price of 100. Total amount of sales revenue is 100. Then it is, if you put it 100, instead of your profit coming to 40, now it will be 30, 37 or something.
Okay, 10% I'm going to here. Both the 10%. 10% as a profit. Then what is the 30? At this stage, this one. At this stage, this one. Then what is my sales price means? So suppose 10 plus 0.3. This is sales price. This is the sales price. This is the cost. This is the sales price. If you are following of this value percentage, at the time of a billing, 30.3 will come at the time 27th. Same rate, same material, same 10% only profit I am taking here, 36 will go. If you follow off cost plus profit equal to sales price. But I'm not saying this is not a correct line, but this is also functionalities available in SAP earlier when you are not using of a material ledger. To avoid this type of a fluctuation, if it is a material is not a fluctuation rate, then better example for price control is the way. If a fluctuation of a material frequently, then SAP strongly recommended for FG material is procurement materials also go for price control is a yes to avoid this type of inconsistency. Suppose I wanted to show data at the time of 27, I want to know how much of a cost means, so 30 will come. If I go and check in 29, 36 will come. Frequently in the my profit also is going to change.
For any price volatility like gold, fuel, we usually the prices keeps changing only, right?
Yeah, frequently. That's why here strongly.
Otherwise, it will go and hit the P&L. No problem, sir. One more question, one last question.
Okay.
Even if you take it as standard price, if you take it as a standard price, and I wanted to change it, I want to update it. Maybe after some 6 months, I wanted to update this price of raw material. What is the mechanism in that case? I go to MM02 and change, or?
No, not in MM02. Not a goods received.
You need to simulate actually. You need to simulate the cost again after updating the info record price.
No. Simulate means what? Standard cost, standard cost
Standard costing.
estimation.
Yes, standard costing. Yes.
No. Raw material standard cost estimation. Okay, we need to go run for if it is any rate is a fluctuation through from the purchase info record.
Yes,
Normally
purchase
purchase
info
info.
record. Yes.
That is a mechanism.
Okay.
That means here, this also is available. That is also
one place it is 0.001, one place you get wrote 0.1. Is that correct? T.
Yeah. Okay. 1 second. This is a.
But in Sridhar, in my organization also we have maintained this procure material as a moving average price.
I also worked.
Okay.
I also worked a lot of projects, but everything. This is the example. But I am not saying of price control V is wrong. I am not saying price control is the yes. These price control V is having some merits and the demerits. Means some pros and cons. From price control yes also have some pros and cons. Which one is fit for you? That is a query.
So in which case we need to maintain the material price as a V, moving average price, because with the procurement we need to take a standard price, and for the production also we are going to take a standard price only. So in which case we need to take this moving average price?
Which case means here material is a frequently, that rate is a fluctuation. Then better to go for price control is a yes. Material is a frequently not a fluctuation. Then better to go for price control is the V.
Okay.
And FG materials, SFG materials also I worked. Price control is the V. Where for standard cost estimation for production also I worked. Price control is the V. They don't want price control is the yes, because at the time of a settlement of a price difference, that they don't want to go P&L account. They wanted to go balance sheet account.
Inventory. Yeah. That is best, no sir. You will get to know the inventory. Anyway,
same situation. Second production order. Actual cost is going to frequently fluctuation same month. That's why here.
Yeah, but anyhow, month end only will be doing the actual costing, right? So I mean,
no, month end price control V is will not allow into actual costing. Only price control is yes. That is a separate. Next I will tell.
Yeah, that is the main point.
That is why we need to. Why S4 HANA material ledger they made it a mandatory, means this is the first reason. In ACC there is no material ledger mandatory, because of to avoid this type of fluctuations of each and every procurement, whether you are purchasing, production, or any stock transfer, anything frequently happening of any differences, to avoid, to make it as a single price entire the month, material ledger mandatory in S4 HANA.
Sir, ML is fine. One small question. Don't get me wrong, sir. Even if I do ROH as V, I still can do actual costing, right? I can create my semi-finished goods and finished goods as V. S standard costing, and I can still continue, right? And I will settle the price differences.
No. Here frequent. This rate 30, this rate 32. At the time of a consumption only will go. My query here, we can get the actual cost, but 30, 32 frequently purchasing and purchasing and issuing to the production, actual cost, how we can I bifurcate? And I want to know 27th is what is the rate, 29th is what is the rate, and mid of the what is the rate, means I can't able to track.
Correct, sir. In your method in S only, let us say yes. Sorry, I can take this question later if others are finding it as a disturbance. If anybody has a problem, I can talk to you later also, Sridhar.
Okay.
I don't want to disturb your flow. Maybe at the end of the session, I can discuss with you.
Yeah, sure. Okay, where we are in this one. B1, B2 means purely relating to the standard price. And the second thing is the VP. VP is the moving average price purpose. AA01. Save. And okay, second is the goods receipt. Then final is the invoice. Invoice time also should accept that price differences. That is nothing but a here inventory management, not inventory management, valuation and account assignment. Sorry. Invoice here. Incoming invoice. Where is the tolerance limits? Okay, 1 second. Yeah, this is tolerance limits. Same 3 stages. If any price differences is occurred, system should accept first purchase order time, my go time, and my time. To accept that tolerance limits, we should accept. That is nothing but a 1010 PD, small differences automatically, and one more option is the variance, date fluctuation. Just now whatever example we discussed, date type, same should accept here. A, BD, enter, and the second one is the ST. Both the differences, quantity in terms of and the date in terms of. Date also changes, means frequently material is going to change. This is for acceptance of price differences from PO and MIGO and MIRO time. And the most important point is our concept is a valuation and account assignment. Account determination. Account determination without wizard. Group together valuation area. Here, position, give our, you see here, system is asking valuation area. System is not going to ask plant. The valuation area means here the accounting entries is going to link. That is a definition of valuation area. Then why why SAP didn't give here option is a plant. Plant means no accounting entry, just mapping of one organizational structure. But if you are linking with valuation area, then only accounting means here in this area, system is going to search for accounting entry, that information. That's why here valuation area. Plant here, plant company code with the chart of accounts. So we will not able to give OBYC all these 3 information. So instead of giving all these 3 information, we can give some XYZ, some text code here. For this text code, we are going to assign GL accounts. That is nothing but this step valuation grouping code. We can give some standard one or give some AA01 itself. Anything, it's a text code. And valuation class. This valuation class need to be created 3 valuation class. We created ROH one material type with valuation area, FERT with valuation area, and HAL with 3
So small
materials.
request, sir. So small request. If you give that valuation group as different key, we can easily identify whether we are giving valuation area or group in OBYC.
Oh, okay.
I got confused like this, which I am giving.
Sorry.
So no problem. Sir.
Then I will make some XYZ.
No, AAGP itself is AAGW or something. This is batch 6, right? You can put G6, AAG6
Okay,
or
G6. Okay.
AAG6. That way, it's a. Yeah.
Okay.
Now we will know in OBYC which one we are giving. Thank you.
Now valuation class. Here valuation class means how many material types. New entries. AA01 is the raw material. And AA02 is the semi-finished material. And AA03 is the FG material. If you give like this is the text code. This is also test description. How system is going to identify. This is the AA01 is the raw material, AA02 is FG, AA03 is some SFG. Linking of account reference. This remember na, this account reference in just we assigned valuation area with ROH, plant with ROH. That is OMS to transaction code. Same again, I will go back to that screen only. Because material master I am going to create with material type ROH. First definition. This is the material type. How this system is going to link with valuation class. Through account reference. That account reference is a bridge between material type to this valuation class. That is nothing but here. Go for ROH. Is ROH. Double click on ROH. Come down. Here is the account reference. Account category reference 001. Same 001 is these are standards. Account reference for raw material 001. FG materials 8 means 0008. FG material 00. This is the link between for earlier configuration ROH, which we are going to create a material, and linking with valuation class. So this is the AA01, AA02, AA03. This is the semi-finished HALB and FERT. How these two link means, because of link is the account reference. That link, that account reference is going to tie up from which this we are going to assign in OBYC valuation class. That is the next step. Go for here. This is account reference. Here, whatever, same, see here, same data. Raw material. And the second here, HALB for semi-finished. Double click. Account reference 8. This is 8. Here we need to give. And to go for FERT. Double click. Come down 9. That account reference we need to give. Only give a AA01 and raw material means the system will not able to identify. This is the raw material, this is FG material. This account reference is the link between to the material type and valuation class. This valuation class, we are going to link with GL accounts in OBYC settings through that account reference. Means plant, company code and chart of accounts with ROH material type need to be assigned to the GL account. This is the link. Understand clearly? In earlier step is a valuation grouping code means chart of accounts, valuation area and company code gave a some CG C6 something. For that code, for this valuation class, we are going to assign to GL account, which means for this valuation class having a material type, that whatever the materials are creating under that account to this one material type, that material types materials, this valuation class, that chart of accounts and the group come this one grouping code through the linking grouping code, that GL account is going to hit. This is the completely linking. clear. If you are missed out any of the settings, either OMS2 or valuation OMSK and OBYC, then accounting entry will not generate. At any accounting entry that missed out to proper account means configuration is any missed out all these three environment, then accounting entry will not generate properly. Okay, this is the settings, OBYC settings, configure account. After GL accounts creation, I will come and assign here again. Okay, these are some basic settings are required to generate FI accounting entries where in terms of production SD. Now go for actual concept of our part, controlling. Now only I'm going to start off a controlling. Controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling. Yesterday we have seen this one configuration part.
Let's take 5 minutes break, right? It's 8 o'clock.
Oh, 8 o'clock. Yeah, we'll take a 5 minutes break.
We come back at 8:05.
8:05 will 8:02 already. Okay, we'll come back 8:07.
Till what time you plan to take class, sir, today?
Some 9:15 like that, because of we earlier is a starter 6:05 I started.
And you will share the server details today?
I will share his number.
Okay.
Okay, we'll come back 8:07, 8:08 like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Hello, sorry for the delay.
I see that.
Okay. Now we are going to start actual our configuration controlling. Here, same. This is also enterprise structure concept only. First, we need to create this one. Back SPRO. Recording going now. Okay. Reference IMG. Controlling. General controlling. Organization. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Oh, someone is a lock. Okay, we will close. Normally in live environment, this will not get issue. Which one? Delete.
SM12.
SM12. Common system is like this only. Okay, maintain controlling area. Enter. New entries. Here. First, this I will go and create two controlling areas. One for multi-ledger point of view only. One for multiple currencies. Second for multiple valuations. Multiple currencies means company code currency, group currency, some other currency, any other. Yesterday, what we discussed, either hard currency, index-based currency, or global company currency. Second thing is the yesterday what we discussed that intercompany, intra-company means the group valuation,
Hello.
profit center valuation. Yeah. Hello. Someone is saying. So for this scenario, I am going to try to create this company, this one, material ledger point of view, multiple currencies. Next AA02, I'm going to create a new one, multiple valuations. So this is the some AA01, same company code, number, controlling area. And here, company code here, if it is a company code is a equals to controlling area, then we need to select here. If it is a company code is a controlling area is the above the company code, which means here in these settings, controlling area having a multiple company codes. And the material is moving one company code to another company code. In that situation, we need to go for maintain a cross company code casting. Later also we can able to change. If you make it is a better cross company code casting means if it is a one company code, if it is a multiple company codes, okay, no issue. If you might try, if you make it as a controlling area equal to company code and later if you want to try change means that is also okay option possible. But as per the point suggestion point of view, make it is a cross company code, even one company code is exist. In future, don't know whether it is going to create a one more company code. And currency type. Most important point is the currency type here. Here, material ledger, currency types. Actually, how many currency types are there in our FIC complete setup, SAP?
6.
Okay, that means here, one is the finance side. Second one is the inventory side. Third one is the cost object side. Because we need to understand this concept very clearly. One is the finance side, second one is the inventory, third one is the controlling object side. Finance side, how many means in S4 HANA, 10 currency type we can able to build. So leave it here, currency type discussion. 10 currency means 2 compulsory and remaining 8 freely defined currencies, FDC1, FDC2, FDC3 up to 8, where in finance. Coming to the inventory, inventory is nothing but a material ledger. Here, 3 currencies we can able to maximum we can able to put in SAP. And controlling object, maximum 4 currency types we can able to put. Controlling object means what? Cost center account, cost center information, internal order information, this type of a WBS element information. These are controlling object. These object we can able to give report up to 4 currencies. Finance side means FNISA ledger means 2 is a compulsory mandatory. 1 is a company code currency. Make it here. 1 is the company code currency. Second one is the group currency. These two are compulsory in the finance side. This is nothing but a 10. This is nothing but a 30. And 3 onwards means 3, 4 up to 8. These are freely defined currency 1, FDC1. FDC1, FDC2, FDC3, FDC1. Like that, we can able to maintain here, suppose 9, 10. And here, freely defined currencies, we can able to maintain 8. Where in the finance, in S4 HANA, in ECC only 3 only, here also. But S4 HANA currency type here, we can able to, these two are compulsory. And this we can able to build other than company code currency, other than group currency, we can able to maintain. Coming to the inventory, inventory is nothing but a material ledger. Inventory means this is coming from material ledger. Material ledger means we can able to build up to 3 currencies only maximum. Same company code currency, group currency is the compulsory. One is the company code currency compulsory, and second is the group currency, and third currency either hard currency or indexed based currency or global company currency. Either only one, either 40 or 50 or 60 only we can able to maintain, not for all. And this is the part of multiple currencies part. And multiple valuations means if you are concentration completely company code concept, which means here, this is the multiple currencies. If you take, this is the multiple valuation concept, where it is an inventory point of view, ML point of view. Here, if you concentration of a purely company code point of view, 10 is the company code currency. Group valuation, second one, that is nothing but 11. And profit center valuation is a 12. Understand here. What is the 10? What is the 11? What is the 12? 10, 30 means 10 is the company code currency, 30 is the group currency. What is the 10, 11, or 12? And if you are going to concentration of a group point of view, company code currency is a 10 and the group currency is the 31 and the profit center valuation is the 32. Whatever it may be, if you are company code currency, group currency 3, if you are company code valuation point of view here, group currency valuation. Here, what is the concept of a 10, 11, 12, 10, 31, 32, 10, 30, 60 means that we need to highlight here. Left, right. Here. See here, if you observed here left, First, I will explain this multiple valuation. First, he explained here. See, left side is here. All are 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Left side indicates that is nothing but a company code or group. Right side digit indicates that is nothing but a valuation. Understand clearly here. Left side is this is a 10, 11, 12, 10, 30, so many times I think you heard this word. 10, 11, 12, 10, 31, 32, 10, 6, 30, 60, 40, either 6, 50. What is the naming code? How SAP design like this means company code left side as a right side. Left side is indicate is a nothing but a company code as well as a group. Right side digit indicates is the valuations. If left side is a one indicate one indicate is the purely company code. One is indicate is the company code. Here one is the indicate a company code. Second one is the 3 is the nothing but a group. So here left side is a 1 and right side 0, 1, 2. Left side only two concepts. Right side is a 3 parts. Right side 0 indicates is the company code, means that is nothing but a legal valuation. 1 indicate group valuation and 2 indicate profit center valuation. This is left side only 2 digits only available, 1 and 3. Right side valuation 3 digits are available, 0, 1, 2. 0 indicate is the legal valuation, 1 indicate is the group valuation, 2 indicates is the profit center valuation. Means a company code. See here now, suppose if you are considering of a 10, 10 means left side 1 and right side is the 0. As per the coding, left side is a 1 is nothing but what? Company code. Right side is the 0 is what? Valuation. So company code with legal valuation. This is the concept is a 10. Which means here, what is the concept here means company code with legal valuation. So if you club 1 and 0 means 10. 1, suppose if you take a 1 and make it is a 1 here. What is the concept? 1 is the company code. And right side is the one is what? Group valuation. Then company code with group valuation. Third one, left side is the 1 and right side is the 2. Then what is the code here? 1 to 12 means company code with profit center valuation. PC valuation like this. Understand what is the concept of a 10, what is the concept of 11, what is the concept of a 12. If you want to concentration of all our company code, then make it is a right side is the left side is the 1 and right side denote is the valuation. Then you now tell me what is the 3 and 0 here. 3 is the group currency and 0 is the legal valuation. Group currency with legal valuation. And suppose 3 and here make it a 1. What is the indicates of 31? 3 is nothing but a group currency this one, and 1 is nothing but a group valuation. So group currency, group valuation, this concept. and here 32. 3 and denotes 2 is nothing but what? 3 indicates is the group and 2 indicates is the profit center valuation. So group currency and group valuation. Profit center valuation. This is the nothing but means 10, 11, 12, 30, 31, 32. These are charts. Whatever it may be here in inventory, material ledger point of view, up to 3 currencies, whatever you are following. Whether you are following of a company code side or group side. That is a possible chances are like this. 10, 11, 12, 30, 10, 31, 32. Understand this complete this concept because of this is the material ledger configuration. First we need to understand which one we are going to maintain for this one. Is it company code currency or group currency of second and third valuations? This company code currency at the time of a creation of a company code creation 10 will come automatically. That is nothing but already decided is the SGD, our company code currency. Group currency, when it is going to define at the time of a controlling area currency time. At the time of a company code time, that whatever we gave in the company code configuration, that would be become a 10. And at the time of a controlling area creation, whatever the currency we are going to give, that would become a group currency. That group currency will come from in configuration client side. That is nothing but a SCC4. Whatever the configuration done in SCC4, that currency would become a group currency. That would become our controlling area currency. Clear? Any doubt? Because of 10 and 30, first we need to decide this is the compulsory. 10 is nothing but a company code currency and 30 is nothing but a that we are going to assign into the controlling area, not creation. Important point here. Here, I am going to assign currency type here 30, not creation. See automatically how USD is coming. I'm not going to give anywhere here. How USD is coming? That is a coming from SCC4. SCC4 is the client. Whatever the client is, this is 100. For 100 client is a whatever assigned in the here. This would become a 30. That would become a our controlling area currency.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, when you say legal valuation, PC valuation, group valuation, see currency, the same number, it will get translated based on FX rates. But when we say legal valuation, group valuation, PC valuation, what does that mean?
Now, here, group and profit center valuation. Yesterday, same I discussed it, I explained. Group valuation means if it is any material is moving from one company code to another company code. One legal entity, another legal entity, to eliminate of internal revenue or cost. That we need to go implement group valuation. Did you join yesterday session?
Yeah, I did.
You joined.
Maybe I was late. Yeah, I had some problems with my mic and speaker yesterday.
Okay. Same profit center valuation means if material is moving within the company code, one plant to another plant. I wanted to mark up. That is nothing but a transfer price. Which means here markup price, if you wanted to transfer one company code to another company code or within the company code. Within the company code by we are going to maintain a transfer price. Cross company code means we are going to add markup is a through additive cost. This is nothing but a intercompany. This is nothing but intra-company. If you wanted to eliminate of this type of a additional revenue or cost, we need to go implement group valuation and profit center valuation.
Okay.
That profit center valuation, group valuation, that is a next question is either we are going to company code point of view or group point of view. That is the second question. Within the same country, all operations are happening, whatever it may be. Company code. Suppose in India, multiple company codes are there. All company code is the company code currency is the INR. Then no need to go for group currency. Then I will go for this option. Same business, I am going to expand to some other country like Malaysia. Malaysian currency, company code currency different, and my here Indian company code currency is different. In India, company code currency is a 10, their company code is a 10, but Malaysian currency. If you want to transactions across the globe, then go for suggestion is a group currency, group valuation.
Okay,
That is a
currency I am clear. Currency I am clear. Thank you.
Valuation.
Okay.
Valuation
this-
means group valuation means cross company code. Profit center valuation means with intra company.
And we define these in costing variant and valuation variants there only, right?
That is a
Correct.
different. First to understand the currency
Concept.
part.
Okay. Concept. Okay.
So Sridhar basically deals with the intra and intra STO, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Understand? See here, 30, that is 30, how it will come USD, that is a coming from SEC4. In SEC4, this is a client is a 100. That is a
not a limitation that 30 will always come from SEC4, which is client driven.
it's a compulsory. If you are change here, different currency, that would become here currency is a different rate. Normally client, if it is a Indian, means definitely is a INR. If it is a different currency, that client is a SEC4, that currency will come here.
Basically, one client can only have one currency, right? With this?
One client having only one currency.
Can we change the group currency, sir? If suppose my currency is euro, group currency, can I put the euro here?
Here, no, should be changed here.
Okay, here we need to create.
Here we need to change.
Okay, correct.
If you double click, and here we can change.
Okay.
But don't try to change here.
Yeah.
Because all will go.
Yeah.
Okay. Here company code currency different and controlling area currency different means this will come. Different company code currency. Because the company code currency SGD. Now controlling area currency is this one. That's why this different company code currency tick box will come. This is a currency and valuation profile relating to the multiple valuations. That time I will explain. And chart of accounts. Chart of accounts, same company code chart of accounts only we should give here because of same GL accounts, cost elements, secondary cost elements also we are going to create a same that one. Chart of accounts of this one. And fiscal year variant also same, we should give fiscal year variant of whatever we are going to company code. And standard hierarchy of a cost center standard hierarchy.
So 1 second, one question. Previous fiscal year variant. Suppose I have the leading ledger one fiscal year variant, non-leading ledger another fiscal year variant. Now I have to give only leading ledger fiscal year variant, right?
Yes. Because here one company is one controlling area having a multiple company codes. If it is each company code having a different fiscal year variance, like K4, V3, V8 something, that will not fit our controlling area. Understand what I'm trying to say here? Here, one controlling area having a multiple company codes. Company code 1, company code 2, company code 3. If different fiscal year, this is the K4, this is a V3, and this is the V8. If this type of a business, all these company codes not fit for controlling area.
So 3 controlling areas we have to create.
We should create.
Okay.
That is for leading ledger. Suppose if I have one company, one leading ledger, one non-leading ledger. Leading ledger is following K4 and non-leading ledger is following V3. In that case, I can assign the K4 leading ledger. I have to consider only leading ledger only.
Leading ledger.
So I have two companies, both are having the K4 in the leading ledger, but non-leading ledger different.
That is
scenario.
Yeah.
That is okay, isn't it?
Yeah, that is okay. But leading point of view, controlling area should be same.
Correct. So non-leading ledger having
different. That is option.
That is no problem.
That is no problem.
Okay.
That's why here chart of accounts, fiscal year variant compulsory of whatever, how many company codes are there, all should be K4, and chart of accounts also should be same, whatever the company codes here. Then only reconcile will come. Otherwise, reconcile will not come. And standard hierarchy, cost center standard hierarchy, profit center standard hierarchy is for one controlling area, one standard hierarchy is there. At the time of a creation of a controlling area time, that should be need to be assigned here. Just to create, under which only we are going to create a number of cost centers, group cost centers like that. Same similarly, profit center also. Profit center group standard hierarchy, that should be client controlling area is of one. The next configuration, under which we can able to create number of profit center groups and profit centers. But controlling area creation time itself, for one controlling area, one standard hierarchy of cost center, one standard hierarchy of a profit center. Okay, not more than one standard hierarchy of one controlling area.
Okay.
This one, A1 standard, we'll make it as a standard. Enter. Still not yet created. Okay, system should create means yes. Save. Now for this controlling area, we need to assign company code. Double click on assignment of company code. And here company code is the AA01. Save. Yeah, this one. Once the company code means 30, that will reflect where? Here. If we go and check in the FINSC ledger, that will come into picture. Second is a 30. That is this is a message. Currency type 30 added additional FI currency for company code AA01, which means next I will go that screen, F that will come. It's only showing what. Save. Next, click on activate control components. New entries here. Make it as our fiscal year 2023. Now, by default, we'll go to the 9999 because of maximum 4 digit only. That means, and here, cost center accounting. If you wanted to work with the cost center accounting, we will do cost center accounting like cost center planning, cost center activities, plan activity data, assessment cycle, distribution cycle, actual activity rate calculation. We will do all. While doing all these transactions, we need to make it as active here for controlling area level. And the activity types. I'm going to create a conversion cost through activity types or template allocations through activity types. Normally complete template allocation through activity types and ABC costing through business process. That need to go for activity types. Both the cases, traditional accounting approach, ABC costing approach. Both for we need to require the activity type. For that, we need to tick box here activity type. Order management. If you want to do transactions with this controlling area through internal order, if any expenses like internal order creation, booking expenses and settle to the month end, either profitable segment or cost center. That internal order need to be activated. And here activity based costing. I told you, if it is a traditional approach, no need to activate ABC costing here. If you want to go for ABC costing, I will explain what is the difference between traditional and ABC costing later. Means first initial step is means this should be activated here with integrated calculation. First, that could be activate parallel and integration calculation. Means in business process also we need to run for assessment cycle. Not only cost center accounting, for assessment cycle, business process means ABC costing point of view, business process also we have to run assessment cycle. That is integrated, parallel and integrated concept. And profitability analysis, not in this step activation, later means configuration of this operating concern, that activation only this will come here. I will show, but here not highlighted tick box. Next project, we will go and do this ETO scenario through WBS elements, engineer to order. For that, do transactions with our controlling area need to be. Sales order, make to order, we are going to do transactions. For that, we need to go for the cost object. In cost object means here, without PP also, we are going to maintain, we are going to implement this one product costing and material ledger. No need of a PP module compulsory. Without PP module also, we can able to implement through CO production order. CO production order is it's nothing but a year controlling object, not a production order. That is nothing but if you want to work with this CO production process, then this is a CK11. Here we will not run CK11 and we are go for KKPAN, some different transaction, standard cost estimation. For that, CO cost object means that is a business process. And REFX means we will not do cover of this one. This is a FI side REFX module for this one. Which means here all business process, if you want to do with this controlling area, here we need to activate cost center accounting, internal order, active this one ABC costing with through activity type as well as a business process, make to stock scenario, make to order scenario, engineer to order scenario, all are components. Project means make to this one ETO, MTO, without PP, MTS, then ABC, everything, internal order, cost center accounting, activity type. That we need to activate to our controlling area here. Understand? This is the setup of organization structure of controlling area. Then next step is the maintain number ranges for controlling area. Same like that, how we are going to do number ranges for finance side document type wise. For example, SCA document type, KR, KZ, KA, DR, DZ, DA document types are there. Each document type we are going to number ranges. Similar way in CO also, this is the number ranges for business transactions. Yesterday we have seen that company code wise business transaction we need to activate those business transactions first. If you want to work out those business transaction Fury app, first we need to activate controlling area level. Then only it will applicable to the company code. Yesterday what we said, manage posting periods with cost accounting. If that functionality, that Fury app with the company code activation, those business transaction, first those business transactions we need to activate here. What is our controlling area? AA01, just now what we created. And here, change. Here, create, first to create a number ranges, make it AA01 CO number range. here. Here in one more difference in the FI and CO number ranges. CO, there is no year specific number ranges. In FI, every year we need to extend or we need to do configuration of number ranges point of view. In CO, not like that, number specific, year specific concept. Just whatever we are going to give here, this is the final. That's why here Q maximum range here. Don't give some limits of 1 to 100, 101 to 100, not like that. Because of this is not year specific. Whatever we are going to give here, this is the final. That's why give maximum number ranges here in this CO point of view, because of no year specific number ranges here. For this 01, we need to assign all business transactions. So whatever we are going to do this one. For example, here, suppose any activity. See, this is the number ranges will come. See, 01. For this, if you want to assign to all business transactions, this one.
Sridhar, one doubt. Can't we categorize the number ranges here, or we can do it?
That's why I'm told you, na, if you categorize means that limitations will come into picture.
Okay.
Suppose if you want make it as a 1 to 1000. Suppose plan all transaction KP06, KP26, KSPI and assessment cycle plan. This type of a plan means if you cross that limit, that is a big headache for us.
Okay.
That's why, because CO number ranges, we are not at all much concentration about the CO number ranges, normally in live environment also.
Okay.
We make it as a plan separate, actual separate, settlement separate. Normally standard they give, but if it is a limitations, that will control. If it is across that, because of I faced this issue, previous is one of the consultant before, one of consultant, they gave some 1 to 1000 to this plan like that. This is a crossed. This is getting a dump at the time of a posting. Each and every transaction getting a dump because of number ranges not there.
Okay. Okay.
That's
So
why
if there is any issue with one number range also, it affects the other postings of CO. Okay.
Because why like this means normally we don't bother about the CO number ranges concept. FI number ranges normally we are going to concentrate because of every year we are going to do, but CO number ranges normally we will not able to much consideration not comparable to other like FI MMST.
I mean, I just got one more doubt. Now, as everybody know that everybody can do an yearly based changes for FI, can't we do that way for CO?
That's why I'm telling here there is no option.
Okay.
See here is there any option? No, year specific here.
Yeah, there is no year specific here.
Okay. That's why give maximum in live also.
Okay.
For this, we need to assign all this business transaction. For example, how it means select here, click on suppose PRIV I wanted to adjust. Click on this AA01 will come just now. What? Double click on this first one. If you come down, assign here. This also I will not assign right now. Whenever the transactions like activity confirmation, variance calculation, settlement, WAP calculation, revaluation of a production order, that time each and every have a one business transaction is there. That time system will throw error. I will come and assign here KANK, and the next in Fury app also I will go on to assign to that same business transaction there also. These two are linking. OB52, KANK and Fury app, all these three are interlinked. Correct na? Here these business transactions we are assigning in controlling area. Same business transactions we are going to assign company code specific in Fury app.
How to do that in Fury app?
Huh?
How to do that in Fury app? How to link in Fury app?
through company code.
Okay.
Yesterday you didn't see, na?
Just not able to.
Same
Yeah,
yesterday.
I saw the Fairy app, that path. I received that also.
That is a company code specific is there, na? Same, whatever. Here. Because in S4 HANA, only there is no FI and CO concept. Only 3 areas: financial accounting, asset accounting, and management accounting. It's a cost accounting periods. In Fury app, company code space come through company code, because in company code, why we should assign CO business transactions? Okay, in controlling area, okay, KA and K controlling area business transactions, I'm going to assign, that is a reasonable. But why need to be assigned to the company code specific? Because that COFI integration relationship is removed in configuration, that OB52, KANK and Fury app, all are is a link. What is this? Not come. Because I will not do here right now the year this also. So
Okay.
for example, at the time of activity confirmation, system definitely will throw RKL.
Error. Okay.
RKL is the activity confirmation. This is not there. Here, RKL activity allocation.
Okay.
I need to go and assign first controlling area, then Fury app. Where is this display? Manage posting period. Same RKL, I need to go assign to the company code specific in Fury app. Then only system will allow to posting of that production order confirmation. Here, business RKL. This one.
Okay.
This is the important point here. This is the company code. Here we will not see anywhere controlling area.
Yeah, only company code wise.
Here we will not see any company code.
Yeah.
Means
So in Fairy app, we had to link both.
That's why here no Fury is nothing. There is no controlling area here. The point is here company code and controlling area linked with CO transactions. That is a CO to FI integration. Understand here?
Yeah, but either controlling area is not there in this screen.
That's in Fury of why latest means company code specific only business transactions.
Okay. Right.
Linking integration point of view. Okay. Here also I will not give anything. That time I will use KNK as well as here. I'm going to assign. That time will come here.
Business transaction.
Then version. Entire the concept in CO will be depend on the version only. Normally, what is the concept of a CO? Broadly speaking, initially we will do plan. During the transactions, actuals will come.
Right.
Month end we can able to compare with actuals with
action.
If there is any variance, that variance we are going to calculate and settle.
Right.
Whether you are going to product costing, cost center accounting, internal order, whatever it may be in CO. CO broadly, if you think about broadly, this is the process.
Planning and actual. Yeah.
Initial we will do plan and come during the process is actual. Month end we need to compare with this standard. If any deviations, that we need to analyze and give the report, irrespective of components. That for this functionality want work means this version we need to tick box of this one 0 version standard, like in our
I'll take
plan actual WAP variance. This need to be assigned to the our controlling area setup here. I told you now first initially I will do what is this our go back. need to select our controlling area. How means to set controlling area here. AA01. Select need to be tick for all.
All tick. First one.
Then here, this should be. Then here, I told you now, first to AA01, I'm going to create a multiple currencies, later multiple valuations. Here, this one, multiple currencies, multiple legal valuation, plan, actual, WAP, as well as a variance. Save. For this version activation. In CO, this is the only year-end activity. That too, if you assign to the multiple year specific to till to 999 now itself, this is also not required every year-end activity. Okay. In CO, what is the configuration of year-end activity means this is the only year-end activity. By that too, by default, system will consider 5 years. If you activate 2023 controlling area AA01 plus 5 years by default. After that only CO configuration year-end configuration will come into picture. Here, double click on this one. Here we need to activate. Here two parts. One is the planning. Planning means once we are doing a transactions of any, how system is going to take a consideration. For example, cost center planning, internal order planning, WBS element planning. If you wanted to work with which currencies active rate system need to be consideration. Exchange rate, whether it is a moving average, some means average rate M or P. Some clients they wanted to go for exchange rate is a M here itself. They don't want to go for different other than the average. Means here exchange rate type P and 11/20/23 and price calculation. This price calculation, this part is the plan, this part is the actual. Plan is nothing but a activity. So for example, activity rate calculation, plan activity rate calculation, actual activity rate calculation while doing a month-end activities. If you want to calculate a plan activity, actual activity rate calculation after month end, that is first of all, actual plan rate calculation of activity type, whether it is a plan or actual, it should be worked out. If we are calculating of a period specific period, month, every month we are going to calculate rate calculation of a activity type in terms of a plan. In terms of a actual, that actual. If you want to reevaluate with production orders, that should be work with this one. This I will explain this functionality. For material ledger multiple currencies, I will do revaluation of a production order. For multiple valuations, no need to run for revaluation of a production order at order level. System will consider revaluation of activities at material ledger level. That I will explain that configuration time this one. For this one, for this the controlling area, I'm going to do multiple currencies. So we need to execute revaluation of a own business transaction. Save.
What is the transaction currency last?
Which one?
Last one button is the transaction.
Where here?
Yeah.
This one, this transaction currency cost component structure split. I will explain after cost component structure creation. Again, I will come and assign here.
So this revaluation means activity type revaluation or other revaluation?
Same that only.
Okay.
Okay. Now we created next immediate step. We need to go for finance. Financial accounting, global settings, ledger.
Controlling area.
Sorry?
We have to assign controlling area here.
Not controlling area, the currency part.
Currency.
Controlling area are assigned. Na? Ledger. Define settings for ledger currency types. Immediately after creation of a controlling area, then we have to come for zero ledger, 0L.
Okay.
Select 0L. Double click on company code settings. Here by default will come here, our company code A01. I told you now, here this will come company code currency, group currency, these are compulsory.
Yes.
At the time of a company code creation time is a 10 will come. At the time of a controlling area currency will come. If you select 30, that is coming from SEC4. These two are update in the finance.
Right. Understood.
10 and 30 and freely defined currencies up to 8. Here
we can if you want, you can.
Okay.
Right.
And one more thing, now is a controlling. This is the I implemented for this one first inventory, multiple currencies. Not only 10 and 30. I wanted to go for 40, 50, 60. 40 is nothing but in which one 40? 40 is nothing but what? Hard currency. And 50 is nothing but a indexed based currency. 60 is nothing but what? Company currency. Nothing but a global company currency. Simply you can say is a company currency. Here, this 50, 40, 50, 60, if you want to activate here.
Yeah.
Now not came. Means how we are going to define here means first we need to go for here currency type, currency conversion for settings. Here, new entries. Our company code is the AA01. And what is the currency type? Need to check first whether this will come or not here.
40, 50, 60.
40, 50, 60 here. Then if you give 40,
you have to give the currency name of currency.
Which currency?
Okay,
here?
CAD. Okay, Canadian dollar.
What is this hard currency?
Yeah, that's why someone is already assigned, but this is I don't want here because how I want INR. I don't want CAD. Someone is assigned. Okay, and here something AA01 second currency. Which one is a 50? Enter. CHF. I don't want
Already.
CHF.
Right.
Some other because of exactly I don't say you should use CAD, CHF means first of all how they are coming here. And 60, okay, this is acceptable. This is the coming from company code currency. SGD, whatever I gave company code currency, that is a okay. This is a company currency. But how this CAD, CHF? How the first of all how these two are coming here? For this OY01 is a transaction code. What is our country? Company code
Singapore.
SG. Double click. Here they are assigned. This is the indexed based currency. This is the hard currency. That's why index, if I maintain a 40, CAD is coming. If I maintain just 50 here, that is CHF is coming. This is the link. And the SGD, how it will come? At the time of a creation of a company, that company gave a SGD, that SGD is coming. This is the link of a company code currency, indexed based currency, hard currency. If you don't want, you can remove here. You can change here. And first of all, what is a hard currency? What is index based currency? Question. Okay, something they are telling, SAP telling something hard currency index way. What is the hard currency? What is the company code currency? What is a global currency? That is a query. Hard currency means normally whatever we are doing a trans, suppose in the country wise currency, normally we are comparing with hard currencies. Hard currency as per the present economic situation, we are going to compare with USD. Yeah, because of USA is one of the means a top. We are going to always country our currency INR always we are comparing with USD only 80 rupees to 75 rupees 78 rupees like that. All normally all for all countries they are going to compare with this USD. So that would be a as a present economic situation they decided hard currency is nothing but a USD currency. And indexed based currency. Indexed based currency means continent wise. For example, if you go for this one, INR, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, these type of one area, they are going to compare with our currency. If you go and check Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, they are going to compare with our currency only. Because of those currencies are financially weak comparable to us. If you go for is European countries, best example, European countries. EUR is the indexed based currency. Out of which German, Finland, Netherlands, all are different company code currencies are they are going to compare with EUR. EUR is the indexed based. Those are European countries are forming a index based currency and each country having a one company code currency. Suppose German, J, and Netherlands, some other currency, New Zealand, Finland, Ireland, all are relating to European. They are comparing their economic conditions in sea level with index-based currency. That index-based currency link compare with hard currency. So index-based currency means continental-wise they are going to those final EUR to USD they are going to compare. Understand? This is nothing but index-based currency and hard currency. Global company currency means company currency, not a company code currency. All are linked with this our country only. Then will come into picture here, where it is here. Our company code currency SG. If you give hard currency, that will become here. Here will come. Now is a CAD. Now I don't want CAD. Some other I am going to want to INR. That will come INR. And indexed based currency. If you want to go for, I wanted to go for EUR, index based, some currency comparable to this one, that will come here. Save.
So what is the T code for this screen?
OY01.
OY01.
I checked, but not able to identify exact path. That's why I'm using.
No problem. OY01.
So now if you go and check here, this one, 40 will become a different and 50 will become a different. We'll go and come back. Don't save. First, currency conversion settings for company code. Enter. New entries. Company code. First 40. Enter. It is not saved. Then why it is not coming? Log off and log in. I will make it log off. SPRO. Financial accounting. Global settings. Ledger. Ledger. Define settings for ledger. This is the most important complicated step. 40, enter. INR. And the next 50, enter. EUR. And here AA00 60, that is a coming from company currency SGD. That also you can change. And here document type. If you do posting transactions with any other currency, first system is going to take that. Suppose for example, F-02, we are going to make it as a some different currency. EUR, not EUR, some other currency, Malaysian currency. That Malaysian currency first converted here, company code currency or document currency. Two options are there. Suppose if you wanted to postings with company code document currency. So I'm going to post a transaction, for example, F-02. F-02 with some MXN, some other currency I'm going to post. System is going to take first MXN to directly INR, EUR and SGD. When if you give document currency, or if you give 10, then here first system is going to convert from MXN to company code currency, then company code currency to INR, then EUR to SGD. Suppose for example, if you post to MXN currency F-02 some expenses, that currency directly will go to the 40 our hard currency, 50 index currency, company code currency. When you are maintaining is a document currency. If you make it as a company code currency, first, irrespective of this one, first system is going to convert to the SGD. From SGD to this system is going to convert. Understand here. Instead of a changing of directly to the EUR, MXN to INR, MN, here we need to change from irrespective of that. First, it should be converted to company code currency. From there to distributed to the 10 to 40, 10 to 50, 10 to 60.
So what is the impact of that? Which
impact,
is
no, impact means for reconcile purpose, this should be better. Whatever the transaction, because we are going to prepare a financial statement as per the company code currency.
Correct.
So whatever the document transaction, first it should convert to the my company code currency. Because 40, 50, 60 are these are additional currencies for me.
Yeah.
But main currencies are 10 only. So that should be converted to the company code currency. So that MXN not all transactions not converted to the company code currency initial as per the 5.
So
that's why here
this rate will come in different, right? Like it will convert to INR to Euro, INR to USD. That's a different rate. And if we'll see the SGT to INR, SGT UR, and SGT to SGT, so different rates will come.
Yes, different rate. OB some transaction is there. Now we need to convert rates.
Okay. OB08. Yeah.
Now OB0. Yeah. That we need to. That is a definitely system will throw error if you are not, if you miss an of SG to ANR, SG to UR, SG to SGD, definitely will throw error. In this case, MX into INR, MX into UR, MX into SGD, we need to maintain. If you maintain of this configuration, system will not throw error. MX into INR, MX into UR, MX into SGD, system will not ask. If you maintain this combination, company code currency, definitely system will ask all currency from MXN. Because of what is the definition here? First, I am converting from MXN to SGD. This only setting system will ask OB08. For SG to INR, SG to this we need to assign.
Okay.
That's why here, as per our concept is the first we need to prepare a financial statement as per the company code only, not for hard currency, not for index, not for global currency. So that Here we need to make it as a better, instead of a 00, make it as a company code currency. Irrespective of a transaction, first that should convert to my company code currency. From there to I am going to convert to INR to IR. This is again company code currency. 10, 10, 10. Exchange rate type is our concept is the M only. M. M. And here transfer type is the document date or posting date. Document date we will not bother about, the posting date only most important. That date only system need to be posting the conversion transactions. Save. Once the assign this conversion, this 40, 50, 60 will appear here. Ledger 0L company code settings ledger here. Earlier we didn't see any. Here we will see AA01 company code currency freely defined FDC1. Here we can see 40, 50, 60. Earlier we didn't see only other 020 something. Because of assignment of there, then will come here. And 50 and 60. Yes. Yes. 3 currencies, 3 times. Save. Still, other than this, still some more if you want, you can able to assign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 4 currencies, you can able to maintain 5 currencies. Other than of this one. This is the financial accounting point of view. But inventory, same last step. Go for last scroll. Here we need to assign 10 and 30 is a by default. Here we can able. Here if you want to make it as an inventory of a company code currency, group currency, either of this currency. As I explained here, material ledger, here only 3 currencies only possible here. This is the one. First currency, second currency, third currency. Only 3 currencies. So 10 and 30 is a compulsory. And third currency, either 40, 50, 60, we can choose according to our business requirement. Here, third currency, we can make it is either of chances. Same group currency, hard currency, 50 and global currency. Global currency is the both are same. That's why no need of bother about. Either we can go for 40 or 50. 30 will come second currency. 40 will come to the third currency, either 40 or 50. If you select 40, INR will appear in the material master. At the time of a creation of material master, accounting one tab, INR will come. If you select 50, that EUR will come in the material master.
So is it possible to change subsequently the currency?
No. That's the most important. Next, I am telling that one. Once finalization of these currencies with this material ledger activation for that plant, that should be unique. Should not change, should not touch. Because of this is inventory. Not just like a FI accounting postings. Inventory will not change frequently currencies. Not only for inventory, in FI also should not be changed. Tell me which one we wanted. Either 40 or 50 as per third currency. Second currency 30, okay. Third currency which one? 40 or 50 or 60? 60 means both will come. Again, company code currency, last currency, both are same.
So we can take a INR 40.
INR means is a 40.
Yes.
Enter. Same 30, 40 and 10, 30, 40, we need to assign to the material ledger currency. This is a linking with the FINSC underscore ledger with material ledger currencies. Okay, we decided here hard currency is the INR. Fine. How only that is a last, but not complete material ledger. Just for 30, 40, where it is the linking with the material ledger, that we need to go for. Controlling, product cost controlling, actual costing, only currency part only. Assign currency type to define material ledger type. New entries. This is a text message. AA01. AA01. Later I will assign all config. Material ledger type. Save. In ECC, this will highlight currency from FI. FI means only from company code currency. CO currency type from CO means only controlling area currency will come. Other than these two, if you want still that time, okay, we are going to make it as a manual that we did earlier. But here in SAP S4 HANA, in FI and SC ledger up to 10 currencies, and this also make it as a different currencies means, so if you want to activate, these two are completely highlighted. Means display mode. We should go for whatever the settings in FI and SC ledger that here we need to assign. By default, company code currency will come. Second, what we make it here, 30 na. Second is a 30. And third one is the INR. That is nothing but 40. Same that whatever we assigned in FI and SC ledger last inventory. L. Our company code AA01. Last, this is FI. Last 3 is a CO. Here, these three should be sync. 10, 30, 40. If you give 10, 30, 40 here, what basis you are going to give here 10, 30, 40 means that is a coming from this screen only, FINSC underscore ledger, that screen only. Here we are going to make it. And in the previous, if there is no this transaction code OB22, this is obsolete again. Use system is going to ask use transaction code for anyway. We can able to view display company code AA01. Double click on this screen will come. 10 is the company code currency HGD. Translation date this one. And 30 is the group currency USD because of this one. And 40 is the INR, that currency is the hard currency. This screen last inventory currency point of view, and this screen should be sync. Once activation of material ledger plant, if I try to make a change, means system definitely will not able to create a material master. Material will create, but accounting one tab system will not allow to open also. I created one material, I did some transactions, I changed the configurations as per the currencies point of view. If I try to open MM03, accounting one tab system will not allow to open. That's why make sure before going to check meticulously each and every finance side, MM side, and this currency settings, company code specific, that should be final. Should not be changed frequently. Should not at all change. Clear? But this is a linking very, very close to controlling area currency, company code currency, inventory. Next, I will explain this controlling object currency. All are linking. Fine. This, next, I will not do anything here. This will go and assign to the here. Assign material ledger to plant valuation area. Yeah, new entries AA01 and just material ledger type enter. Oh, plant. Okay. 0p. Yeah. This, if it is a link with FINSC underscore ledger last 10 40 30 and material ledger type AA01 is the 10 30 40, then only status will come. Material ledger assignment to plant. Here will come. See 10 30 40 material ledger currency type integrated with FI. 10 no 30 40. But still we assigned in 50 60 also FINSC underscore ledger. But as per the limitations of in material ledger, only 3 currencies only we can able to make. That's why here not in material ledger concept, but FI currency allowed in ML. FI currency allowed, but not in material ledger. Clear? This is the link up to material ledger currency type inventory as well as a finance side. All should be linked. Otherwise, should be error like that. Earlier, I have seen one issue. See here. This is not linked like this. This throw error like this. ML and FI currency, but FI currency wrongly fiscal year variant. All should be linked here. Some other all are green came. Okay, someone is doing properly. Like this error will come. If it is the error will come means we will not able to proceed further. Fine. This is the concept of a currency types. How we are going to link with company code currency, group currency, finance ledger, as well as inventory ledger. Nothing but a material ledger. Any doubt as of now about currency part? Most important point.
It's clear, Sridhar. Thank you.
Okay, just look at this. Next time, next week, we will see further, like GL accounts creation and OBYC mapping each and every transactions like MM, ST, PP, all transactions with the price difference. Fine.
Yes, Sridhar, please share that vendor's user ID.
I will share. Yeah, I will share now.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
You share this Excel also, sir.
Yeah, I will share.
Okay.
And recording, yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sridhar.
Okay, fine. We'll meet next week.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.